Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can add hyperlinks to your messages and chats on Slack really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. Head over to your Slack workspace and let's say, for example, I would like to add a hyperlink to a message I sent in a channel. You can do that, of course, for any chats or conversations or direct messages you have had with your team members. So let me enter the channel here. And let's say I got a message of like that here of mine. So what you want to do, guys, is simply highlight the word you would like to add the hyperlink to. So let me highlight that word here, report. And after that, you will see that icon here at the top, which is called a link. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-U to add a hyperlink. So let me click on it. That is going to add a hyperlink to the given word. For example, you may customize the text here and also add the hyperlink below. So let me go with google.com, for example, copy the URL, add back to hyperlink settings here and paste it here. Click on save there, and there you go. As you can see, now the given word or expression or part of the message has been given a hyperlink. And that's basically it, guys. If your team members click on that link, they will be redirected automatically to that destination page here. And that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.